Hello. One gadget or tool that I always have in the camper van is the meat thermometer. Although I don't know why they call it meat thermometer, because it can be used for all types of products, bread, cakes, sauces, fish, all sorts of things. So this is a pretty simple one. It has a probe on the side that you insert into the food that you want to test the temperature of, and it also has a remote probe that you plug in and it automatically connects, and this one has a stainless steel covered cable, so you can put this in even in an oven and close the door, the cable won't melt, so you can leave that in and monitor the food that's cooking. You can put it inside if you're cooking something in a pot, you can put it under the lid in the meat. You can use this on a barbecue, so this is really handy as well. I mean, this device is a pretty simple, cheap one. I think it costs less than £10, but you can buy ones now that are wireless. They connect with an app to your telephone, so you can walk around and just monitor how your food is cooking. And really, I mean, I use this at home as well, but in a camper van I think it's really essential, because sometimes you don't have the power that you have at home, and the appliances are not working at full temperature, and it's good to test it. And the other thing is, unless you're an absolute cordon bleu chef, it's very difficult to see if a joint of meat or steak is medium, well done, rare. So you can get it exactly how you want it without any guesswork or without any experience. And another essential part of it is you need to get a list of the cooking temperatures. So I found this online. It was free to download and I printed it off, and it's got like every type of meat that you could think of. If you want it well done, medium, rare, whatever. It's got seafood, which includes crab, lobster, all different types of fish. It's got vegetables. You can also check the temperature. There's cakes, all types of cakes, quiche, tarts, breads, scones, all sorts of things in it. There's hundreds of different types of food that it tells you the temperature in centigrade or Fahrenheit, even sauces and things like that. So it's essential to have this, and it's absolutely marvellous, and I use it all the time, and I thoroughly recommend that you get yourself a meat thermometer, or let's call it a food thermometer. Okay, good.